Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw muli niyo ako samahan na mag-react sa banda Mission Souls. Yung kanilang pinakabagong cover song na Edge of 17. Ayan, tignan natin kung gaano kaganda tong cover song nila na to guys. Stevie Nicks.
Just like the wild wind does, sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just like
Ang astig naman ng harmony nila dito. Galing.
the wild wind does, sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. And the days go by like a strand in the wind.
Astig nun ah. Yung pasok ng baseline ni Daddy Second.
In the way that is my own, I begin again. Said to my friend, baby, nothing else matters.
Iba yata yung setup ng gitara ni ano ngayon, ano? Ni Nisha. Yung tunog ng kanyang guitar effects.
He was no more than a baby then. Well,
First time ko narinig sa kanya to, yung ganitong klaseng tunog.
he seemed broken-hearted, something within him. But the moment that I first laid
Nakakagulat yun yung birit ni Stacy na yun. Ang taas ng boses.
eyes on him, all alone on the edge of 17. Just like the wild wind does, sing songs that
Anong klaseng genre ba to guys? Itong kanilang tinutugtog. Parang hindi naman siya rock ano. Parang may pagka pop music.
she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. Just like the wild wind does, sing songs sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. Well, I went today, baby, I will go again tomorrow.
Sarap nun. No? Yung beat na yon ng drums ni Ice.
Yeah, well, the music there, well, it was hauntingly familiar. Well, I seemed to it when I tried to forget.
Ganda na areglo nito tong kanta na to. First time ko lang siya narinig pero nagandahan ako kagad sa tono. Areglo.
Words to my point and I voice my choir in a melody. Nothing else matters. Just like the wild wind does, sing songs.
Yung guitar effects ni Nisha parang meron din siyang tunog wawa ano. Parang first time ko narinig sa kanya na gumamit siya ng ganong effects.
Like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. Just like the wild wind does, sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Said ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. The clouds never
Bah, may birit pa si Stacy dito. Galing.
expected when it rains, but the sea changes color, but the sea does not change.
Nakita niyo yun guys yung ginagawa ni Naces. Tumatalon-talon yung kanyang daliri sa keyboard. Galing.
So in the slow, graceful flow of age, I went for with an
Malupit talaga sa keyboard si Naces.
age-old desire to please on the edge of 17.
Parang ang daming ganap dito sa kanta na to. Marami kang maririnig na iba't ibang klaseng tunog. Parang may katunog to itong yung ginagawa ni Nisha na yon sa gitara. Meron siyang katunog na na rock na kanta. Yung parang soundtrack ng ng pelikula ni Sylvester Stallone. Yung sa Rocky, parang ganun yung tunog.
Just like the wide window, sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh. Just like the wide window, sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Said ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh.
Kakaiba yung atake nila dito sa kanta na to. Ang galing.
Well, then suddenly, there was no one left standing in the hall. Yeah, and a flood of tears. No one really ever heard the fall at all.
Ano kaya tatak ng cymbals ni ni Ice? Ang ganda pakinggan ng kanyang clapper.
Well, I went searching for an answer up the stairs and down the hall, but not to find an answer, just to hear the call of a night bird.
Tignan natin kung may ad-lib si dito, si Nisha.
Singing, come away, come away, come away. Just like the wide window, sings a song, sounds like he's singing.
Nag-16-bit si si Ice. Ang lupit talaga ng batan to.
Ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. Just like the wide window, sings a song, sounds like he's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh.
Yun, may ad-lib. Madalas natin abangan kay Nisha to eh. Madalas talaga may pasabog do si Nisha eh. Grabe yung lambot ng daliri ni Nisha, no? Talagang bata pa lang siguro, talagang na siya. Nagigitara na talaga. Sanay na yung daliri.
Just like the wide window, sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh,
Ang ganda nun. Yung hinagod niya yung yung string.
baby, ooh, said ooh. Just like the wide window, sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, said ooh.
Grabe. Ang lupit nung patapos. Ayun nag-posing pa sila. O diba guys, napakalupit talaga ng bandang Mission Souls. Kaya sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel guys, mag-subscribe na kayo. Andiyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Suportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga kanta na napakagaganda guys. At kung mahilig ka sa mga ganitong klaseng reaction video, mag-subscribe ka na rin para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod pa nating i-react. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.